Okay, this little area is kind of like, we're gonna call this the New Orleans part of, well, you'll see, I guess that looks more like New Orleans, but you're gonna see all about it in a minute. And I'm also gonna talk about this club right here called D2, and we'll just kind of focus on this New Orleans element that's within this Fisherman's Wharf, across from Flamingo Casino and Babylon Casino, and whatever we see down there. Okay, stay tuned. Be right back. Go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, we're gonna start with D2. And actually, this is a club, and actually, it's funny. The facade looks so different, but if you go in, it's 100% a club. 100%, the whole building. Actually, it's so funny because usually I feel like these are kind of facades, but actually when you go in, it's such a different world. You wouldn't think that this holds a club, but it does. And then this one is, there's another club over there as well called D3. This is called D2. So yeah, that's funny. So yeah, actually the D2, here's some, oh, the music is loud, dang it. The music is down there. Sometimes that'll ruin my videos. So there's D2. So let's just kind of stay away from the music a little bit. Dang it, I kind of want to check everything out, show you what it all looks like. We'll just try to speak over the music so it doesn't capture it as my main focus. Okay, let's keep on walking faster. I mean, I want to show you the waterfront anyways. There's another speaker over here too, right up there. Dang. More music. Dang. I hope it doesn't ruin my recording. So anyways, this is Fisherman's Wharf, all this. And this is kind of New Orleans facade. This is a club called D2. And it's funny, I didn't really realize, but yeah, they have all this kind of stuff around there. It's right next to what used to be the Africana. And then down here, they're doing this kind of Brazilian night. So they're setting things up. That's on Saturday. Today's Friday. We'll try to film later if we can. Man, I can't get away from this music. There's a speaker right there. Dang. Okay, let's get out of here quickly. Okay, so anyways, this is our New Orleans facade. And this is what I wanted to say. Use the buzzer that was open a little while ago and I walked by. And there's a lot of cold air conditioning in there. I wonder if I can. Let's see if I can. I can't see anything. It's just completely black. Okay. So anyways, this is our New Orleans themed one. This is actually a nightclub right here. There's another nightclub down there. Flamingo. Babylon. Rocks Hotel is down there. Type is that direction. And this one is called Fisherman's Wharf. And this has kind of the New Orleans look to it. We'll keep going down, and then you'll see different themes. So you'll see like a little Amsterdam theme, and I think we're just going to focus on themes. I have been in here before and just kind of walked around and filmed lots of different stuff, but this one I want to focus specifically on the New Orleans thing. I'm quite concerned about the music though. Fisherman's Wharf. So that music will affect my video. Let's turn this off. I kind of want to show you some of the other cool stuff around here. Restaurant Vinha, Portuguese. Nice balcony to sit out and see things. Okay, so let's go back to our New Orleans theme. That music's gonna ruin the video. Rio right there. This Rio is gonna have an event with the Brazilian one. Well, looks like my video is gonna be, might have to do a voiceover on this one. Let's see. Anyways, that's kind of what it looks like. And I guess we'll find out if it ruins my video or not. I guess we'll just end it right there. But yeah, this is the New Orleans part of Fisherman's Wharf.
Minha